Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. 5. What do you call a sleeping pizza? A pizza. 4. Why did the pizza toppings squeeze together? Because there wasn't much room. 3. What do carpenters love on pizza? Sausages. 2. Why couldn't the skunk call for a pizza? His phone was out of odor. 1. What do pizzas say when they're surprised? Jesus crust! Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.